What a beautiful sunrise this morning. Hello, Mr. Squirrel. It's gonna rain today. Oh, what a day it has been. It's been pretty dramatic at work today. It's like everything is just loosely being held together with tape and paper clips. It's all craziness. But it's okay. These things are beautiful outside. Oh my goodness. It's a green anole. It's basically a green lizard. Some people just call these chameleons, but they're just called green anoles or green lizards. This one was green about 2 seconds ago and it just turned brown to match this tree. But you can tell it's a green anole because of how dainty its features are. The green anole is becoming increasingly rare, and I haven't seen one in a long time. Hi, I'm very happy to see you. You're doing a great job. Normally we see the brown anoles, which are really cool, but they're very they're just bigger and they're dark. They're usually brown or black spots, zigzags on their back. And these are sort of dainty and green and tiny. But they're both really awesome. It's just cool because I haven't seen one of these in a while. Bye-bye. I hope that if you're having a rough day, if you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, that you'll just take a chance to go outside and look around you and stop thinking about your own problems and just focus on all the amazing, basically the amazing world that surrounds you, the universe that is surrounding us every day that we don't take notice of, the birds singing and eating bugs and the lizards running around and the bees pollinating flowers, and what an amazing world right in front of us. Yeah, so I make a nature diary 4 or 5 times a week because I believe that connecting with nature can have a positive impact on your life. So I would love to have you subscribe or share or comment or like. And you can also head over to Instagram. I'm Lady Flora on Instagram. And yeah, this weekend I should be making a pretty awesome video going someplace special. So you'll see that maybe Monday, maybe Tuesday. I'm excited. I think it's going to be awesome. So yeah, I would love to have you join me on my adventures in Florida, sublime subtropical Florida. So please subscribe, and then after you do that, go outside and have a sublime day.